sharp this line is. I got this at Walmart, bro. This is from Walmart. Yo. This small thing right here, I was not expecting it to be this sharp. Oh my gosh. These are from Walmart, bro. What? What's up, YouTube? Today I'm using the trimmer buddy, the mini cut buddy, and I'm gonna give myself a lineup. So let's get straight to the video. So first, the packaging looks pretty cool. Y'all can get this at Walmart, but that's besides the point. I'm going to give myself a lineup of these today. Straight out the box, okay? This little thing, it says on the box it's 0 gaps. So these should hit. And I've got a Barber pencil right here. And then I got some ruler. Grab the ruler and you just place it on your hairline just like so. Oh, wrong. So you place the ruler on your hairline just right here. That's my hairline. And then I just like so. We're not creating harsh lines. So for the vertical bars, we're going like this. Now for the next side, boom. So I'm a barber myself, so what I like to do at this part is diffuse it. So I'm gonna use my fingers. Just kind of, y'all can see, right? Yeah, that's a chalk line. Just kind of diffuse it a bit. But this small thing is 0 gap. See if it cuts sharp. So I'm testing. Yo, I can't believe this is from Walmart. Oh my god. Literally follow the line that I made with the pencil. Shouldn't be hard, so just follow the line. Your boy has to throw on the razor on there. Smooth. Doing this, be careful. Yeah, that's sharp. Oh my gosh. This is the final look. You know what I'm saying? But like, yo, my honest review, I'll rate this at 8.5 out of 10. Maybe 9. I definitely recommend this. This is quick and easy to use on the go. And yeah, bro, like in the box it has, got some guards, which you can attach on the trimmer. I think this is a battery, or no, a charging port. And then charger, and then you also got the oil kit, which is pretty neat, which is honestly crazy because a lot of the other trimmers there are overpriced and they don't even like hit sharp, and some of them aren't even 0 gaps. So this company did their thing with this one. Like I said again, these are available to purchase at Walmart, so you guys can go get the cut buddy at Walmart. I think they have the clipper set and the trimmer, I believe, there at Walmart. Then you can also get, these are from the cut buddy as well, and the pencil. So you guys can go check out in the aisle and just see what's available. Just let me know. But yeah, this is the cut buddy, and this is the end of my video. If y'all liked it, make sure you like and subscribe. Let me know in the comments if you liked the results, and I'll see you guys in my future videos. Peace. God bless.